Hey guys, this is DMR Games
DMR Games.
with another tutorial.
.webs.com.
Where I'm going to show you how to make a top-down shooter. I already have everything made out. I'm just going to walk you through what I did.
Check out our website, dmrgames.webs.com. Check out our YouTube channel, DMR Games. Please subscribe.
Dan, this is going on our YouTube channel.
I know, but actually check it out.
Okay, pretty much he said subscribe, so just, yeah.
Subscribe.
Alright, so... Alright, I'm going to just walk you through what I did first. Alright, so... For you gotta make sprite player, make sure he's facing right, or it else won't work.
Right?
Alright, yeah, so once you have your player drawn out, this is top-down shooter, just remember. Go to animation, and then rotation sequence, counterclockwise, and type in 361, and degrees 360. Okay, it's just... Alright. Okay, now, for sprite enemy, you do the same thing. Okay, just so you know, this is going to be shooting enemy. And, for just, make the bullets round, or appear to be round. And, just a wall, and I have the floor, and, health. Alright. So what you're wanting to do is, you're gonna wanna add a create event, and then, execute piece of code, global.health equals 100. And then you're gonna wanna do a step event. I'll, if you guys can, write this out, if you guys can, write this from the video yourself if you want to, I'll keep it in the description.
When you look at this part, just pause it. I suggest that you pause it if you're following him step by step and you're doing it right now. Pause it and just copy down that. Do you want to put that in the description so they can just copy that down?
Oh yeah, make sure to make all your objects. Alright, so cool. Alright, I'll tell you about health later. We won't worry about that. Alright, make collision with object wall. Set horizontal speed 0. Set vertical speed 0. Those options are right here. And I'm using the WASD keys. Oh yeah, just so you know, this code is it looks like your character will follow your mouse. Now, to move, you gotta do, this is to move left. -4. It's to move X -4, Y 0. Click relative. That'll move it to the left. And X4, that'll move it to the right. And make sure to click relative for all these. And this is for down. For some reason, even though Y4 would be up on a coordinate grid, I guess relative switches around. You have to do Y4 for down. And this is up. You have to do Y coordinate -4. Click relative. And you have to do global left pressed. Create instance of object bullet for the player. Oh yeah, this is just to pause. Yeah, I'm check that. Release any. Oh yeah, this is important too. Alright, you can either do release any key or add event no key, and you gotta add start moving. Move fixed and direction center, square button and 0, not relative. Now the bullet. This is important. Alright, okay, you have to do a move towards. You have to do create event, move towards, and then you have to do this. Mouse _X, mouse _Y. I did speed 15, you can do whatever. Alright, so I also did score. Alright. So when it collides with the enemy, it'll destroy, the bullet will destroy itself, and the score will be +5. And also, same thing with the wall, but the score doesn't go up. Now the enemy. Alright, the enemy has health, so if you don't want to have health, just don't do this. You have to do a set variable HP to 100. make a step event. So and also this is from I'll paste this in this is so like your enemy will Alright guys, so I'm back now. I had to deal with my annoying stepbrothers. Alright, so this is a piece of code. I'll leave it here for a minute if you guys just want to copy it down. This is so like your enemy will like look at your player. And also, oh yeah, just so you know, if you have pro, you don't have to you don't have to do any of the animation rotation counterclockwise. You just do image angle. You just place all the indexes with the angle, and that's it. But if you want to keep it simple, just do it like this. If you have light version. Now, this pretty much is just a start block, 150 chance of creating object bullet. And now this is for the it'll avoid the walls and go towards you. Now this is so it'll destroy. HP is smaller than 1, it'll get destroyed. Now collision with object bullet, you have to do a variable HP minus 20. Click relative. And then also for collision with object wall, you just set horizontal speed 0 and set the vertical speed to 0. And for the bullet, I'm gonna see how long this is after this. Right. For the bullet, you gotta do create event, move towards whatever you name your player. I name mine obj_player. You do .x after that, and then obj_player.y, speed of 15. Now collision with object player will destroy itself. Collision with object wall will destroy itself. Now going back to the player with the bullet, and so when the bullet collides with the player, it'll set the health. You have to set the health relative to -5. Collision with object wall, we already went over that. Okay, going back, we're up to the wall. Alright, nothing with the wall. Okay, now this is for the health bar. Now you're gonna want this has no sprite. So what you're gonna do is if you don't want a health bar, fine then. Don't do the step. You're gonna add a create event. That was before. Create event. You can go to set health to 100, and a step event. It's also smaller than 1. Display a message. Mine's called mission failed for some reason. So we'll restart the game. Now make this persistent, just so you know. Now you have to do a draw event. Draw the health bar. Ow! And Dan just ran into a wall. Make sure the X2 and Y2 are negative opposites of X1 and Y1. Alright guys, I am back. So, alright, you make sure X1 is 100, Y1 15, X2 negative 100, Y2 negative 15, green red, relative. Okay, you got that. Alright, I'm gonna end this part now, and gonna make a part 2, so bye.